refreshing, comforting, and aromatic. Peppermint tea is a delicious, yet often overlooked beverage to sip at any time of day. Whether you are simply looking for something warm or especially seeking the taste slightly sweet and bright flavor, peppermint tea gets the job done. Aside from its appealing taste and soothing qualities, peppermint tea is believed to have plenty of health benefits too, like helping with digestion, settling an upset stomach, and reducing bloat. Today's video will discuss the health benefits of peppermint tea. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Here are the benefits to drinking peppermint tea. Number 1. It can settle an upset stomach. Peppermint tea is believed to ease various forms of stomach discomfort, including pain and nausea. One possible explanation is that the menthol in peppermint may relax muscles, in terms easing stomach cramping and pain. Number 2. It can also clear nasal passageways. Don't forget about hot peppermint tea next time you are laid off with a cold and looking for relief from a stuffy nose and congestion. When served in the form of warm or hot tea, the warm vapor from peppermint tea may help clear nasal passages and dilate airways to improve airflow, which can also help fight congestion. Number 3. It can provide a boost of energy. If you normally reach for coffee or soda to fight your post-lunchtime drowsiness, you may want to try switching over to peppermint tea. Researchers have found that even simply smelling peppermint tea may help you to feel more alert and focused, which is pretty good considering most peppermint tea doesn't even contain any caffeine. Number 4. It can reduce menstrual cramp. Peppermint has antispasmodic properties and the ability to improve circulation, soothe the stomach area, and relax tense muscles that contribute to cramps. Results from one study shows that peppermint extract was as effective as non-steroidal anti-inflammatories in reducing pain from menstrual cramps. Number 5. It may strengthen the immune system. Peppermint may contribute to a stronger gut and immune system due to peppermint's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. The antimicrobial properties in peppermint oil may also help promote healing in the body. What do you think of these important information? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.